How's everyone doing tonight? Thank you guys for coming to the live. What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Crypto Hangout episode number 2. You guys are awesome. If you guys weren't here last live stream, I decided to start a whole new live stream series called Crypto Hangout. Do not worry, it's going to be the same old type of live streams that I always do. It. The only difference is that obviously the name. But the second difference is that it's just going to be a little bit more structure. Like I'm going to have segments, which I think I only have 4 at the moment that I could think of. So I'm going to need some help getting more segments. And I feel like having this order will make it more at a better flow instead of just being all over the place. So yeah, thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Today's a huge day. Bitcoin hasn't had this type of day in a while. I don't even remember, right? A day where we had these type of candles, right? And it wasn't just today, it was the last couple of days, as you can see right here, right? But I'm just gonna say, looking right off the chart, like just looking straight off the chart, this is not a good time to long, right? Let's be honest, this is not a good time to long. I think Bitcoin has reached the top for now, right? Like the next couple of days will probably stay flat, come back, retrace. But we came up to 21,000. The exact price that we came up, that we actually fell down from November 5th after the FTX collapse, the exact place right here. And if you guys been watching my shorts and TikTok and all that, remember what I said. I said the bullish scenario, and it's playing out exactly like it is right now. The only thing was that we didn't come down to test. Let me see. Did we come down to test the 300 EMA? I mean weekly moving average. Like, I gotta change some chart. I gotta change the chart here. Let's see. Did we come down to test that 300 weekly? Does not look like it. But thank you guys for coming to the live stream, Crypto Hangout. Let's see here. I forgot to share too. Let me share the live stream here. Let's share the live stream here. I'm going to share it on Twitter. There we go. Just shared it on Twitter. What's up, T Money? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Let me share it in the Discord too, and some other groups. Thank you guys for coming to the Crypto Hangout. All right. Let's go. But I appreciate all of you guys coming to the live stream, coming to Crypto Hangout. But yeah, like I said in the beginning, looking straight off the bat, guys, this is not a good time to long. Okay, not a good time to long. Because I think we reached the top here for the next couple of days. Right? I'm not saying that this is the top. But the reason why is you can clearly see right here, and I made a short video on this talking about how the next resistance to break is the previous higher low, which was 21,400, and then the next one after that is 22,500, and then the next one after that is 25K. You see what I'm saying? Let me actually put the thing here to make it easier to see. You see, these are the price points to beat right here, right? And so far, we came up today exactly to 21,500, which is a previous higher low, right? And And what I'm saying is, you know, anything can happen, obviously, but you know, when we're trading, we use probability, right? And the probability of us breaking this after the last couple of days pumping so crazy, right, and breaking this big resistance here, right, in today or the next day, is very low. So that's what I'm saying. It's probably not a good time to long, right? Um, and you can see right here in my indicator as well, we're in the red cloud, which we haven't been in the red cloud for a while. I can't remember the last time we were in the red cloud here. Okay, so we're in the red cloud, and you guys know what happens when we're in the red cloud. It's better to short or sell, right? Um, now, have I been buying? Yes, I've been buying the last couple days. I didn't buy. Um, I didn't like FOMO in 100%, but I've been buying the last couple days. I bought. Let's see what I bought. I bought basically the regular. I bought like one more quant. I bought like a couple chain link, Polkadot. The big one that I bought though was Flux. I bought. I finally got 1,000 Flux, which was my goal, and yeah, I'm happy for that because you need 1,000 Flux to be able to mine. Now my next big step is being able to mine it, right? I gotta find I gotta watch a tutorial video on how to mine it and also get the hardware. But T Money said, "Shib, well, Crypto Billionaire said if we can have a rally to 28K, that'd be awesome." Yeah, you know, it probably won't happen today unless we have something crazy happening. But maybe possibly in the next couple of months, right? Or the next month. T Money said, "Shib, on a crazy one. This is just the beginning. Shibarium hasn't even dropped. Deleted to 0. Yes, I saw that. I bought some Shib too the last couple of days. Like I said, Shib is one of my top 3 biggest holdings. So I am big on Shib. Definitely one of my biggest holdings. So I'm really looking forward to Shibarium and Shiba Inu. Many people are doubting it, and I think many people are gonna miss out on it. You've been buying, so does that mean you think that we are in a bull and not ever? I've been buying, not a lot. Like I've been buying like chunks, like little bits, but I didn't like FOMO in, right? Like I'll tell you what I bought. I bought like one quant, which is like 126, or 120 when I bought it. I bought like one Litecoin, so it's not like a crazy lot. It's just, you know, it's basically call it DCA or whatever. But I still hold on to my prediction, which was that the bottom is not in yet. I think we're gonna have a rise, right? Which I also talked about. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we even go to 29K. I still don't think the bottom will be in, right? But a lot of people think that the bottom is in already, so you can also zoom out here, right? And we can see here. We can see here that we reached our first target here. I don't think this is. I think we topped out here for the day. In the next couple of days, because I even mentioned this in my short that these are the heavy targets here to break, and you can see we come exactly to it. You see today we wicked exactly to 21,500 or 450, exactly to it. And I mentioned it in my short. You know, to pivot here, we have to break this structure here, this huge downtrend, and break these previous lower highs, which the first one is 21,500, the second one is 22,700, and then the third big one is 25K basically. You see that? And we came exactly to it. That's what I'm saying. The odds of keep going up here are very low because we came, you know, we wicked exactly to it today. This little pump in when all the main markets are shut. I mean the stock market isn't that bad, right? It's been pumping as well, but usually, you know, usually the crypto markets go first, so we might see a big pump in the stock market in the next coming days. Because from experience, I always remember every time crypto pumps hard, the stock market follows right after. From my experience, it might not happen this time, right? I'm thinking about getting a loan with my Bitcoin as collateral. How are you able to do that? Which platform do you use, Sniff? If you don't mind sharing. Doctor and Lawyer said, "Hey everyone, what's up? On my break right now. What's up, Doctor and Lawyer? Thanks for coming here to the Crypto Hangout, even on your break, man. Hope you're having a great work. And thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for coming here to the live stream, supporting and also being a specialist in the Discord. XRP finally reached 40 cents today, right? Coming up from like 33 cents that we've been in for like a while. But and look, Algorand, XLM, these are still very low, right? XLM still below 10 cents. Algorand still at 22 cents, right? Even XRP at 40 cents is not bad, right? When it comes to the ISO coins. And we can see right here Avalanche coming up like crazy, right? Like a couple days ago, Avalanche was literally $10. Now it's $16, and a big reason for that is regarding the Amazon, right? Like apparently Amazon is sponsoring with Avalanche, right? There's been a lot of news regarding big sponsors, right? With Gala Games as well. But with Gala Games, it was kind of weird because they deleted the tweet where they mentioned that they were sponsoring with The Rock, right? So, Evening Lewis, a big pump happens. Yeah, look, we haven't had a pump like this, and I can't even remember the last time we had a big pump like this. I think it was right here. Yeah, since August. Since the beginning of August, to be honest. As you can see right here, you had a big pump like this since the beginning of August. But you know, my opinion on the market right now, right, is I think we topped out for now for the next couple days or even week. Mainly because we reached our first main target and we're finding we wicked to it today, right, which is 21,500. I mentioned, if you guys been watching my shorts, which a lot of you guys have been, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. I'm gonna be making more shorts. Obviously, I'm gonna still keep making my long form videos. I'm gonna be making more shorts now, especially because February, if you guys didn't know, February YouTube is going to be paying ad revenue for shorts, and this is huge because basically you're gonna be able to get the same amount that you get for regular videos for shorts this time. And this is like the best thing ever. It's better than TikTok. It's better than every other platform that pays for, you know, that has short form video. So that you're probably gonna see a lot of people make shorts on YouTube just because of that. And I'm one of them. Okay, I'm gonna take advantage of it. My shorts actually have been doing pretty well. I've been getting 1,000 views on most of them, and I like it. I think a lot of people like it too because it's like it's a short video where you can see like technical analysis fast, or you can see something fast. So, you know, definitely watch my shorts. Every time there's a big emergency, like a big update regarding crypto or technical analysis, I'll definitely be making shorts regarding that. Sniff said, GT says, Sniff, think twice about that. Sniff, I used to use Abra and Nexo for crypto loans, but I'm not going near those platforms. Yes, yeah. And if you guys heard what just happened with Nexo, right? They raided their office, I think it was some foreign country. I forgot the country. I don't know if it was Bangladesh or something. But they raided the Nexo office, which is kind of sketchy, right? It's crazy how they did that. Saul Lopez said fake bull market. According to Richard Hart, Bitcoin will hit 11K 2023. Hey, Saul, I'm with you. I don't think this is the bottom, because it definitely does not look like the bottom, right? Unless it's like a new type of bottom, right? But I don't think this is the bottom, and I mentioned this in my shorts. Even if we go up to 29, 30K, I still think that we will capitulate this year due to a huge event And like I said in my predictions all the time, 2023 in my opinion is going to be the 2020 in which we have some unexpected event, right? Similar to 2020, right, where we had that unexpected event. And what happened to Bitcoin then? It capitulated, right? Hard. I think it was the biggest capitulation in Bitcoin history. And I think that will happen this year. So that's just my opinion. Elisa Grace, what's up, Alicia? Thank you for coming to the live stream. Marcio, everyone, give thumbs up. Thank you so much, Marcio. Thank you guys too for giving me all the thumbs up. We already got 10 likes. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the likes, all the support. And man, look, it's been a tough bear market. So we gotta celebrate the good days, right? I mean, look, you guys know me. I've been live streaming, not every day, but basically every other day or every 3 days during this bear market, and uploading videos and all these things and getting way less views than during the bull market. You know what I'm saying? So I love this, right? Like, this is my passion. I love crypto. I love making videos for you guys, and even during the bear market, I'm still here, live streaming because I love it. It really is a passion, and I hope that one day, I can stop working from my main job earlier and be able to do this, full time, with my investments from crypto as well, right? So Bitcoin to 11K in 2023, according to Richard Hart. Yeah, and I know Richard Hart said that. He said 11K and pray. Steph said, I might use Yumi or Aave. They're going to be around for a while. Yeah, I like Aave. I like Aave. They're heavily over collateralized and are still going strong even after the FTX drama. Yeah, Aave's pretty good. I do like Aave. Plus, DeFi lending offers better interest. Plus, you can earn staking with the collateral you. Yes, that's true. Great point, Sniff. You just gotta look. You just gotta be careful, right, with what platform you're using, right? You gotta make sure it's a good one. Like Aave is a good one in my opinion. And you can see Aave has less interest rates than other ones, but that's because Aave is safer than those ones that are giving crazy high rates, right? Sniff said, plus DeFi lending offers better interest, plus you can earn staking. Yeah. I hope you are well. Do you think the short is coming? Thank you, Hamed. Thank you so much, and I hope you're well as well. And what do you mean? Do I think the short is coming? What do you mean by short? You mean like coming down like crazy? Great, more twerk and prank shorts coming. I own some Hex stakes, but I'm no longer bullish on it. A channel called Trader University exposed Richard. Yeah. It's crazy, right? And Pulse Chain, when is Pulse Chain gonna be released anyway? I haven't been keeping up to date with that, but SHIB about to have another big move, higher low. Yeah, look, I bought some SHIB the last couple of days. I'll tell you guys what I bought. If you guys are interested, the last couple of days, not today, but the last couple of days, I bought Flux. I finally got 1,000 Flux, which I'm able to mine now. Once you get 1,000 Flux, you're able to mine it. It's just a pain in the butt to set it up because you gotta now I think it's easier now. I gotta watch a tutorial video on it. But yeah, I got 1,000 Flux, which is around when I got it was like $500. It's crazy because during the bull market, I wanted to get 1,000 Flux during the bull market, and it cost like 2,000, 3,000 or something, and now it cost me 500. So I'm pretty bullish on Flux. I bought some Link as well. I bought some AVAX, a little bit of Solana. Let's see what else here. I bought like one Litecoin, one Quant. I bought some Gala. Okay. I bought a little bit of Gala. Bought some more Zilliqa. Bought some XLM, Algorand. And look, XLM and Algorand, if you're long on both of those, they're still at the moment at very low prices. XLM below 10 cents, right? And Algorand at 22 cents. Really, really good prices. As well as XRP at 40 cents, right? And you guys already know Dogecoin. I didn't buy Dogecoin the last couple of days. I actually bought it when it was way lower, when it was around 6 or 5 cents. And I got a decent amount of Dogecoin. Plus, I got my Dogecoin mini miner, which I earn Dogecoin plus Litecoin every week. It's not a lot, but hey, at least it's a little bit. At least it's some, right? But yeah, about that, I bought SHIB the last couple of days, and yeah, those are the main coins that I bought. In, you know, it's not like I bought like a crazy amount, right? It was like pretty low volume still. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people have FOMO'd in, right? They're probably FOMOing in right now, which I think we topped here for the next couple days or week, as you can see right here on my chart. A YouTuber named Carl Talks Crypto gave me a board NFT for free last year. I don't know what it's worth. But check it. Let me check it right here. I'll check it for you. Let's check it out. Let's check out this NFT board. I never heard of this NFT, but we'll check it out here. Let's go to OpenSea and see how much this guy's NFT is worth. And look, guys, one thing, if you receive random NFTs from like random, like let's just say your wallet receives a random NFT or random crypto, like coins that you never heard of, do not sell it. You guys probably already know about that, but do not try to sell it, because there could be something regarding in like the program with the coin or the NFT that basically like hacks your wallet. Okay, so just heads up. Yeah, I can't find it. I just searched it up here on OpenSea, so it might be on another type of website. What's up, boys? What's up, Sniff? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Hamid said yes. So Hamid, my opinion, you know, to be honest, man, regarding like the Big Short, I would say, because I haven't done too much on this, I would say probably 30K, right, before we come down like crazy, right? So we might break the structure, right, and then come up here to the big one. This is the big one right here, 30K, 29K, right? And then we might have a bigger drop. And this is all very situational, right? Like, you know, like I said, I stick with my prediction, which I think there's gonna be another huge event this year, which is gonna cause the capitulation, right? But at the moment, you know, we're starting to pivot here. We've reached our biggest resistance here, which is 21,500, which I said in my recent video, because you can see right here, these are the three resistant levels here to beat. Okay, if we do pass 21,500, we're probably gonna go up to 25K, and then reject that back to 22,800, and then maybe continue going up. This is the bullish scenario, in my opinion. Wow, 30 viewers. We got 30 viewers in the house. Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. I haven't gotten 30 viewers in a while, so appreciate all of you guys coming on here. It's probably the bull market. It's probably, you know, the bull market being back and everyone FOMOing in. But appreciate all of you guys on here. If you guys are new, subscribe. I bring you guys the latest videos regarding the crypto markets, Bitcoin, the wealth transfer, everything. Sniff said it's going to be awesome seeing the one Bitcoin I own go back to all-time highs. The one I own is number 6,872. Wow. That's great, man. Look, that is awesome. That is awesome that you own one Bitcoin, right? That's one of my dreams too. I want to own one Bitcoin, and it pisses me off because if I would have had my funds from Celsius, I probably would have been able to get one Bitcoin. It's crazy, right? It's just crazy. Titus says W. What's up, Titus? Grizz says the name of it cracks me up. That alone might make it pump. I think 25K, then retrace and off we go. Yeah, Yeah, I do think so too. Look, if we once we break that 21,500, which I don't think is gonna be today. I think we topped out for the next couple of days or weeks, in my opinion. We're probably gonna stay flat, retrace a little bit back down. You can also see that this is like a cup, right? We might have a cup and handle. So look, this is a cup, right? Cup and handle, retrace back down, and then come all the way back up here and test 25K. You see what I'm saying? So we might form a cup and handle. But I think we topped here for the next couple days. So, you know, if people are looking to long, I don't think it's a good idea to long here. Anything's possible, right? But when trading, you got to look at the probability, right? The stats. What is the probability of us keep going up here? It's pretty low because we reached here the top of the cup, right, which is our first resistance at 21,500. Here, according to my indicator, we're in the red clouds, which we haven't been in the red clouds in a while. You guys know what it means when we're in the red clouds, right? It means that you do the opposite. Okay. Not that you do the opposite, that you do what the color says, which is short and sell. And when we go in the green clouds, that's when you do, that's when you buy and long. Like right over here, we didn't go in it, but we got so close to the green cloud, and if you would have bought right there, that would have been a great price. You see. Well, bring up Solana, no soofing it, stopping it. Yeah, I bought some Solana too. I'm happy I bought some Solana the last couple of days. I've been staking it on the ledger. If you guys didn't know, you can stake your Solana really, really easy on the ledger. You don't need a third-party wallet or anything like that. You can stake it on the ledger. It's really easy to do. The number I posted is for the NFT, not... Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely check out how much that NFT is worth, right? True up, LOL. We got this. Is the year. Yeah, I mean, look, my prediction, guys, is that 2020 is gonna be 2023 is gonna be like 2020, in which, you know, we start rising and then we have a huge event where we capitulate, right? Maybe 14K, 12K, 10K, who knows? And then we start working our way back up. And then I believe 2024, after the halvening, 2024 is going to be the 2021, in which 2021 you saw all-time highs. It was the big bull market, right? You had Metaverse, this Facebook changing the name to Meta. Everybody it was a euphoric market. I think that's going to be 2024. That's my opinion. This is just my opinion. But we'll see, right? Long time no see, Lewis. What's up, Daniel? Yeah, long time no see. How have you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Wow, we got 39 viewers. 39 viewers. Thank you guys so much. I can't remember the last time we got 39 viewers. Probably was like months ago. But hey, man, hard work pays off. I've been making videos, live streaming consistently during this bear market, and we gotta celebrate the good days, right? We gotta celebrate the good days while they last. But yeah, as you can see right here, I do think that we topped out here for the next coming days or weeks. Just looking here at the structure, I bought Solana at $13, $12, $10, and have been staking for a while. Wow, those are great prices, Grizz. And I bought a little bit too, around $12. And then I bought some more the last couple of days around $16 or $15. Hit the likes. Thank you guys so much for liking the live stream. We got 17 likes. Daniel said facts. Yeah, I mean, let's do the top gainers of the day. You guys know here for the crypto hangout, I'm gonna look here at the top gainers of the days. This is thank you guys for coming to the crypto hangout episode number 2. But let's check here the top gainers of the day, and what that basically is we're gonna see here on the crypto bubbles Who's been the top gainers, right? The top gainers of the day. All right, let's check here on the daily. So the top gainers of the day, guys. Solana 33%. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely put the notification bell so you guys know when I live stream and when I upload videos. And I appreciate all the likes and support. So top gainers of the days, we got here the biggest gainer, Mana at 37%. And this is for the day. This is just today. 37%, Mana top gainer. Next one up, we got Solana at 33%. 33%. Solana coming in at second. And in third place, we got Gala again. Gala pumping again after retracing a little bit the last day or so. Coming in at 28%. Fourth place, we got APT. Okay, APT at 25%. And then we got a tie here. No, then for fifth place, we got Sand. We got Sand at 23%. But then we got Curve 20% and OP Optimism at 20%. So those are the top gainers of the day. If you want to know the top gainers of the hour, which is more recent, the top gainers of the hour is APT, I think it's Aptos, 14%. Solana 8%. Okay. And Bits. I never heard of this coin. Bits DAO. Bits at 7%. Those are the top gainers of the hour. But overall, it's very, very green here, as you guys can see. Now, look, on the weekly, though, the bigger picture here on the weekly, Gala 114% on the weekly. That's crazy. So Gala, and you guys know me, I've been talking about Gala games before this huge pump. You guys seen all my live streams. You guys been here. You guys know how many times I talked about Gala, that it's my #1 pick in the crypto gaming sector. Gala's my #1 pick, and I've been talking about it so much, and finally, you know, this past week up 114%. So there you guys go, the top gainers of the day, of the week, and the hour. That's the floor price. 004 ETH. Oh, how much is that? That's the floor price. How much is that? 004 ETH. Marcus and Jennifer said, this is my first year of crypto. I understand we have been in the bear market for the last year. Are we entering into the bull market, and how long does it normally last? Thank you for the time. Marcus and Jennifer, thank you so much for coming to the live stream, and what a wonderful question. Thank you so much for asking it. So this is your first year in crypto, and welcome to the crypto markets. This, and you know, to be honest, being in crypto right now, you're not early. I mean, you are early. My bad. You are early. We're still very, very early, and to prove that, the total market cap for the whole crypto space right over here is 958 billion. 958 billion, the total market cap for the whole crypto space. But if you didn't know, last bull market which was in 2021, we topped out at 3 trillion. That's 3 times the amount of the market cap right now. 3 trillion back in 2021. Okay, so you can see the crypto market does move very fast. And regarding right now, are we entering into a bull market? I still think it's too early to say so. My prediction is still that I think the big bull market is going to be in 2024, mainly because of the halving, and also because that I feel this year we might still have a huge event which we could capitulate still. And just looking at, you know, Bitcoin here, it doesn't feel, or it doesn't look like a bottom, at least from looking at previous bottoms, right? But at the same time, it's not a bad idea to buy, right? It's not a bad idea to DCA, to dollar cost average, and buy a little bit here, a little bit there, even though you're unsure, right? Like for me, I'm unsure if we're entering a bull market right now and this is the bottom. I'm unsure of it. I don't think so, but at the same time, I bought a little bit of many coins, not a lot. I didn't put like 100%. I didn't go 100% all in. And here's the biggest tip as an investor, guys. You never want to be 100% all in or 100% all out. Okay? You want to be in a situation where, and this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion. You want to be in a situation where if the market goes up like crazy, you're comfortable. You're like, okay, I got a good amount. I'm happy with the amount that I have. And at the same time, if it goes down like crazy, which we've been in the last months, you want to be comfortable at the same time, in which, like, okay, I sold a decent amount, months ago when we were at higher prices. I'm not at a huge loss. I didn't go all in. You know what I'm saying? So this is my biggest investing tip, not financial advice, but at the same time, it's not a bad idea to buy right now. And a big reason for that too, I know I'm going off on a tangent right here, but a big reason for that too is that, and I did this before, we measured many coins here. Like this one, for example, like Chainlink. We measured many coins here, and many of the coins have been down probably around 90 to 80% from its all-time highs. For example, Chainlink, it's down 89% from its all-time highs. And why is this big? This is big because if we go back in time, in the previous bear markets, many of the coins were down. The majority of the coins were down 80 to 90% during those bear markets when we bottomed back then. You see what I'm saying? So that's another big sign on why it's probably a good time to get a little bit here and a little bit there, just in case we do start to move up heavy, which we've been the last couple of days, and this might be the bottom, right? So none of this is financial advice, just my opinion. And I hope I was able to answer your question. And if you guys got any more, just let me know. Definitely let me know. I'd love to answer you guys. Today has been bonkers. Yes. Thank you so much for coming to the live stream, Adam. How you been? Today was a crazy day, right? Let me take that. Wow, 56 viewers, guys. 56 viewers. Thank you guys so much. I haven't had 56 viewers since like Bitcoin was probably like over 30K or something, to be honest. Daniel said, Marcus, follow macroeconomic conditions. Steph said, when I got into crypto, it was mid 2020 and Bitcoin was at 10K. It went up to 69K late 2021. Yeah, but don't forget too. Don't forget that Bitcoin did capitulate down to 3K in 2020, right? Bitcoin capitulated hard to like 3K in 2020, and then it started to rise up heavy, mainly because it was a big overreaction to the C19, but also because the government printed trillions of dollars. You guys got to remember that we printed trillions of dollars, right? And that's a big reason for the bull market too. T-Money said, all you had to do was buy on the first day of the year. Check the chart on Bitcoin. Yeah, we can check right here. The first day, right? You can see right here, January 1st, right here. Since January 1st, guys, look at this. This is interesting. Thanks for pointing it out, T-Money. Okay, look right here.
New subscriber.
Thank you for subscribing. Right here. Right, the last 2 days of December was pretty bearish. We actually went down to 16,300. And then the first day of January, green candle on the daily, right? Green candle, green candle. And look, so far this month or this year, we only had 2 red candles that weren't even that big on the daily. Just 2 red candles, right? It's just been mega green candles, as you can see. And looking at this, let's take a look at this. I see a lot of, okay. So these are my targets right now, guys. These are my resistance targets. As you can see right here, they're on the screen. They're my resisting targets on the screen right here. Okay. Wow, thanks. Anytime, Marcus and Jennifer. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I really appreciate you coming on here, and I appreciate all of you guys coming on here. Over 50 viewers. You guys are awesome. Just look at it. Woof. Nice to meet you, bro. Hey, nice to meet you too, Off the Beaten. Well done for getting going again. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much for coming to the live stream, man. I've been streaming every other day. I've been making so many videos during this bear market. And man, I knew one day it was going to pay off. Right? But again, we're still early. Right? We're still early. Adam said, been good, man. Did a long at 16,571 at Bitcoin, and definitely enjoying the ride. Wow, that's awesome. Are you still in the long, or did you take any profits? That's a pretty good long at 16,000. Gris says, I took some measurements on past cycles, and we should start a gradual trend in June of this year if you go by April as the all-time high. What do you mean? Oh, if you go by April, okay. So what do you mean? So you think, Grizz, that by June of this year we should start to go up heavy, like to like 50K? If you count November as high, then it would be February 2024 would start the gradual uptrend with a peak in 2025. I gotta look at that. I gotta look at that regarding the charts. Because a lot of people think that the bull market is going to be in 2025, or like the big all-time high where Bitcoin's like over 100 or 200K. Adam said, I was debating to YouTube in the morning. Any advice for equipment needed to start out? Yes, I could go for like hours regarding YouTube, because I've been a YouTuber for 7 years. And the thing is, during the 7 years, I've only been a crypto YouTuber the last 3 years. So I converted my channel to crypto because I really liked crypto. When I discovered crypto, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stop having a tutorial YouTube channel because my channel used to be like tutorials on PC, on iPhone, just like random tutorials, and I'm gonna change it up to crypto. And man, I'm super happy I did that. YouTube, based on the niche, you get paid more based on the niche. So crypto, finance, is probably the best paying niche on on YouTube, right? Versus something like vlogs or gaming or other niches. They still pay, obviously, but the finance niche is really, really big in terms of high pay. But to answer your question regarding equipment, man, to be honest, man, it depends what your channel is on. If you're going to be talking on your channel, I'm going to say that the audio is probably the most important thing. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people would agree with me. The audio is the one of the biggest important things, because if you have crappy audio quality, people are not going to want to hear you. Especially since a lot of people nowadays have headphones or like AirPods and stuff like that. People are listening during work and stuff like that. So if you have crappy audio quality, people are just gonna, even if you have good content, you can have good content. If you don't have crappy audio quality, people are gonna not want to watch the video. So I would focus first on audio. Get a good mic. I have one right here, as you can see right here. I have the Audio Technica. Definitely recommend this one, but there's a bunch of good mics out there for decent prices. And then I would definitely recommend a good computer, because you can edit faster. You can make your videos on the computer with a webcam or whatever, you know what I mean? I will post in Discord. Yes, post in the Discord. I definitely would be, looking at it later. But yeah, post it in the Discord. And if you guys are new to the channel, you guys can join the Telegram for free in the description below. And if you want to join the Discord or get my indicators, which I have 3 indicators, you guys can join the Patreon if you're interested in that. Like this stream. Thank you so much, T Money. Adam said, yup, I'm up by a ton, taking profits little by little and leaving a moon bag. That's great. And yeah, look, guys, don't forget to take profits. Do not forget to take profits. Smart money takes profits, right? We got to remember that. Right now, at this moment, dumb money is probably buying, right? Because I think we topped out here for the next coming days or maybe even weeks. Or week. I don't know, right? We might pass 21,500 the next 3 days or something. But be careful longing at these prices. And if you're buying, then buy to hold long. If you're going to be buying at these prices, buy to hold for a while. Don't buy right now and then if we go back to 16K, panic sell. You know what I mean? Because that's how smart money and dumb money works. Right? Smart money was buying right over here, right below 17K. Now we're over 20,000, 20,900. And probably right now is when dumb money is buying. And smart money is selling to the dumb money. You know what I mean? Grizz says the all-time high is always a year after the halving in past cycles. So that's the biggest probability. Oh, okay, I see. So Grizz says the all-time high is always a year after the halving. Okay. That makes sense. Look, another big target, guys, to watch, right, is 24,500. Because that's exactly where the 200 weekly is. You see the 200 weekly MA? 24,500 is the 200 weekly MA. Watch that, okay? And at the same time, look, part of my prediction is we might come back eventually and retest the 300 weekly MA as support. And at the moment, the 300 weekly is 18,500, but throughout the time, it can grow to be 18,700. You see what I'm saying? So watch out for a retest of the 300 weekly MA. You can see right here is exactly 18,500 at the moment. GT said, Lewis, did you see what Janet Yellen said today about the USA hitting its debt ceiling this month? Any thoughts? No. What did Janet say? I know who she is. I just don't know what she said today. I know there's been a lot of rumors regarding the Fed pivoting, which I don't think it's confirmed yet. But yeah, I don't know what Janet Yellen said. And also, guys, regarding prophecy, I don't know who said this, but I know it was part of some prophecy that someone said that in the future there's not going to be there's not going to be a IRS anymore, or the taxes or income tax. And man, as you guys saw the last 3 days, there's the Republicans passed in Congress right now to eliminate the income tax, right? And eliminate the IRS, the IRS basically. And as soon as I saw that, I remembered the prophecy regarding that there's not going to be taxes in the future regarding the IRS and the income tax. And I was like, wow, this might come true, because it was a big surprise, right? And I'm pretty sure it was a big surprise for everyone. But they're not gonna. I don't think. Yeah, they're obviously not gonna totally eliminate the tax. What I heard was that they're gonna have like a bigger sales tax, I guess. But man, eliminating the income tax is huge. That is a big thing. And at least for me and other people that have jobs, it's never gonna be a big amount. I'm buying right now, LOL. Michael, you're buying right now, man. Look, I bought a little bit today as well, right? I'm not, so the thing is that what I said was that if you're buying right now, you better hold long, right? You better be a long holder if you're buying right now, because what happens to many people is they buy right now, right? In a situation, we have a situation where many people buy right now, right, at 20,900. Then, you know, over the next coming weeks or month, we fall hard to like 16K or 14K. And then the same people that buy right now panic sell and lose a lot on, you know, percentage wise. So what I'm saying is if you're buying right now, you know, be a long-term holder, right? Not financial advice. Adam said, awesome. I'll be getting a good mic. I tried to test my webcam, but my webcam mic isn't good. Yeah, man. I have a webcam as well. And yeah, don't use your webcam mic. I recommend getting the Audio Technica. The Yeti is good as well. If you want to go for like a cheaper mic that's like decent, the Snowball, the Yeti Snowball, which is like that round mic, that one's okay. It's decent. But if you want to go for a higher tier mic with like the best quality, you can get the Audio Technica or the top tier Yeti, which is like the big one. Those are the ones I recommend. But yeah, man, if you're gonna be talking in your videos, the microphone is the key. Then you want to focus on the, you know, the camera, the quality, and all that. Steph said social credit score and anti-Semitism laws is what they want. Hopefully there is pushback. Buying Little Rabbit V2, holding for months. What's Little Rabbit V2? What coin is that? Never heard of that coin. Little Rabbit V2. Wow, guys, 52 viewers. Thank you guys so much. We've been holding 50 viewers in the live stream. Is this an indicator that the bull market is back? Sir Lewis getting over 50 viewers. But yeah, look, as you can see right here, these are my targets right here that are on the screen. So if you guys want a screenshot, I'll also post in the Discord. These are my targets right here, okay? I'm gonna post in the Discord my targets here to watch. And the one is green is the one to buy. Not financial advice, but it's the one here at the 300 weekly MA, which is around 14,000. There's probably going to be a big resistance there if we do come down there. But let me, if you guys want a screenshot here, you can. All right, let me stop moving it. There we go. And let me put one up here too, because we know 29K is another big one, right? Let me screenshot this here on the computer. There we go. Perfect. But these are my next targets here for the, you know, the next coming weeks, months. And, you know, this is the structure, right? You got to understand the structure of the chart as well. Because we are still in a dreadful downtrend. This is still a very dreadful downtrend. But as you can see, we are breaking that structure, right now. And at the moment we are in the cup right now. We might form a cup and handle, as you can see right here, right? We made the cup shape, and then we might make a cup and handle, slowly come back down, maybe even touch the 300 as it comes up here around 18,600, and then bounce off of that, right, and create a cup and handle situation here. So we could potentially see that, right? Let me put my other indicators here. And again, if you guys want to see, if you guys want to get my indicators, you guys can join the Patreon. I have 3 indicators that I have on Patreon, and I'm super happy because I finally got one person on the Patreon that, you know, are on the second tier for the indicators. So I'm happy because, you know, this month I was able to get one of my first sales for the indicators, and I'm super grateful for that. But let me get here my oscillator. So yeah, we're very overbought right now, and it's not every day that you see the RSI, the stochastic, and money flow this overbought. You see, look, do you guys see this? Look at this. We're in a situation where we have the stochastic RSI, money flow, and the regular RSI very overbought. Look at that. Usually when we were overbought here on the stochastic, it was just the stochastic RSI, right? RSI, the regular RSI was down here, money flow in the middle. This time, all three of them are up here. That's a sign to me to not long, okay? New coin only on one exchange. Oh, really? Which exchange is it, if you don't mind sharing? But you can see, right, we made a W shape, right? It looks like a W, right? We made like a W shape here on the chart, a W for a win, or it could be like a butt. It looks like a butt, right? You can see it right there. We got the butt pattern here on the Bitcoin chart. Great stream, bro. Congrats on 50. Thank you so much, Lulu. Thank you, all of you guys. And if you guys are new, again, subscribe. Put the notification bell for future live streams. I've been live streaming all bear market with less than 20 views. But hey, man, I appreciate all the people that have been through thick and thin here on the live stream during the bear market. All the OGs, I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are awesome. And all the new people coming in. Thank you guys so much. What's new said hello. What's up? What's new? Michael Hole said EndoX. EndoX, I never heard of that crypto exchange. Is that the only place where you can buy Little Rabbit V2? Or can you buy it on like Pancake Swap or you know, exchanges like that?
New subscriber.
Hey, Mildred, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. You guys are awesome. Yeah, guys, the bull market is back because Sir Lewis is getting over 50 viewers. That's your number one indicator right there. What's new said buy/sell help trying to get on Pancakes. Okay, yeah, I found it right here on CoinMarketCap. Should I buy Bitcoin? What's new? I'll say it again. I said in the beginning regarding my opinion, but again, none of this is financial advice. So whatever I say, what's new, do not invest or buy or sell regarding what I say. Okay, this is just my opinion, what I'm doing. But I think that we topped out here for the next coming days or even weeks. This is just my opinion here, just looking at the charts, and I'll show you here on the charts. Okay, I'll show you here why I think we topped out here for the next coming weeks. I mean, not next coming weeks, next coming days, or maybe even a week or so. Okay, and the biggest reason is because we reached our big resistance here. Right, look, you see this range right here? We reached our big resistance in this range. This is the range that we're in currently right now. And 21,350 is the big resistance. Why is it? Because it's the previous higher low. You can see right here, the last few months, we just been making higher lows since 25K. We reached 25K. Well, guess what? 25K was a higher low, was a lower low to 29K. You see, look. 29K, okay, higher, lower low 25K, okay, lower low 22K, all right, come back up, lower low 21,300, which we are currently at, and there's a reason why the Bitcoin bus stopped exactly at this price, and it's because exactly what I said. This is the previous lower low since November 5th. And that's why I think we topped out for the next coming days or week. Okay. Now, could I be wrong? Sure, but the probability, you see, when you're trading, at least the probability, you gotta look at the probability, right? And the probability is that most likely we're not gonna break this in the next coming days. That's just my opinion. It's just my technical analysis. Now, regarding buying crypto long term, I think that we are at great prices for many altcoins, especially, right? I bought some the last 2 days, the last 5 days ago, and even today I bought a little bit. But I bought in thinking about the long term. I'm holding long, right? So if you are buying today, which is not a good time to buy in my opinion, for certain coins, then you better be holding long. Because if you're buying today, like I said, if you're buying today and we go back down to 16K, 14K, and you panic sell, then that was a bad play, right? That's just my opinion, not financial advice. And again, if you guys are new, join the Telegram, the free Telegram. So the Telegram is free, which is in the description below. And the Discord, which is more like, the Discord is like, the Telegram has like over 500 people. And the Discord has like less than 80 people, and it's much more like it's less like active, obviously. But to join the Discord, you gotta be part of the Patreon, which is like $5 a month, but that's only if you guys want to. And I appreciate all of you guys already that are active in the Discord. You guys are awesome. Because this is how it looks right here. We got the main chat, we got the trader chat, we got signal alerts in the Discord. But my favorite part about the Discord is the fact that everybody is like helping each other out. And this was my main plan with the Discord, because we have XRP chat, Bitcoin chat, Shiba chat, and with this we got specialists. We have T Money, who is a specialist in Shiba, so he keeps us updated with Shiba. He posts the latest articles, the latest videos in the SHIB chat. We have XRP, Doctor and Lawyer is our specialist for XRP. He keeps us updated with XRP. You see what I'm saying? So instead of, having to, do your own research, well, obviously you want to do your own research, but having to like be all around and looking at everything your own self, people are sharing it here in the Discord and helping each other out. So that's the type of community that was my plan, and so far we've been doing it, and I just want to appreciate all of you guys that are in it. GT said, so we need good earnings reports and the Fed to turn dovish, and we'd go. If not, down we go. Yeah, so look, regarding macroeconomics, right, so far a big reason why we've been pumping is inflation going down, right? You guys saw the CPI was 6.5. To be honest, guys, it doesn't feel like it, because at least for groceries, right? Gas went down, but groceries have been still up like crazy. You guys saw the last couple of days people posting how much eggs cost. Like, there's been people buying eggs for $15 or $20. You know what I'm saying? Like, so in terms of food and groceries, it's been very bad regarding inflation still. But another big thing too is layoffs, right? If we start seeing a lot of people losing their jobs, then that could be a bad sign too. But you're right, we gotta see the next the next earning reports and see how that plays out. How to join? You could join. I pinned it in the comments, so it's in the pinned comment right here for the Patreon. Now, if you want to join the Telegram, I'll also post the link to the Telegram, which is free. So that's the Patreon for the Discord. Now the Telegram, which is free as well. This is the Telegram. But yeah, definitely join if you can. We keep, we're all active. We all keep each other updated on all the coins that we like, right? And it's awesome because it's hard to be up to date with all these coins, XRP, SHIB, Dogecoin, all these coins, right, that I'm invested in. But now being in the Discord, there's people that really like Shibarium, and Shiba Inu, like T Money, and he keeps us updated on it all the time. So it really makes things easier. So yeah. Good God, eggs are expensive. $9 for a dozen. Yeah, man, I saw it, and look, a lot of people on TikTok and everyone just been making videos regarding the, you know, the prices for groceries, especially eggs. And it's crazy, right? Inflation is still up crazy for groceries, in my opinion. Um, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if it continues to go up or down. But yeah, I'm gonna share here some coins here that I think are still at great prices. I already said XLM, right? XLM at 8 cents still, right below 10 cents. Still a great price if you're long term XLM. Algorand at 22 cents, right? Which the bottom was 16 cents. It's kind of funny. Algorand is like, it's kind of like Bitcoin, where it came down to 16 cents and Bitcoin came down to 16K, and now it's at 22. Obviously Bitcoin's not at 22, but it's kind of similar there. Zilliqa, I still think Zilliqa is a great altcoin as well. Even XRP at 40 cents is still very low, right? If you're long-term XRP. Flux, I'm super happy because I was able to get Flux at great prices. I got Flux at around 50. I think my average for Flux was around 50 cents, right? Which it actually came down to 40 cents, which isn't that bad, right? Look, when investing, guys, you guys don't have to get the absolute bottom, right? You don't have to get the absolute bottom, and you don't have to sell the absolute top. As you guys saw, I sold 90% of my crypto when we were at between 45K to 48K, right? Did I sell at the top at 60 to 65K? No, I didn't sell it at the top, but I sold it at a you know, a really good price compared to right now. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, when it comes to trading, you know, people love to hate on timing the market. And I'm pretty sure you've seen many videos where people are like saying, don't time the market, or it's better to be in the market. Time in the market is better than timing the market, blah, blah, blah. You know, all these things, hating on timing the market. But I'm the opposite. I'm a contrarian versus that, because timing the market to me is like, it's an art. And it's an art that traders literally do every single day, that investors do every time they invest. It's the whole point of investing, is timing the market, right? Regarding real estate, regarding buying and selling it. It's the whole point, timing the market. So people hate on it, and they will tell you to not try to time the market. But what I say is, the best skill to train is trying to time the market, because even if you get 80% from at the top, it's better than DCAing, right, throughout that huge downtrend, right, and basically selling at the bottom. You see what I'm saying? Eggs was $25 for 60. Wow, $25 for 60. I couldn't do it anymore. Yeah, man. Like, regarding eggs, it's been crazy, right? I don't know what's been going on specifically. It's like chickens aren't laying any more eggs. But yeah, regarding groceries, inflation has been still crazy high regarding groceries, but we'll see. We'll see how it turns out the next coming months. Bitcoin made me look, LOL. Thank you guys, all you guys that are new. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I haven't gotten over 50 viewers since Bitcoin was probably over 29K. So this is a big day for me. Could it mean the bull market is back? I don't know, but we need to break, right? We need to break this previous low of 21,300, right? After we break that, we'll probably come up here, reject 24,500. So these are my price targets right here. These are my important price targets. If you guys want to take a screenshot, if you guys still haven't yet, you can take a screenshot here of my price targets, as you can see right here. And these are basically like important price targets to watch out for regarding the next coming weeks, months. Okay, because once Bitcoin reaches these price targets, it's probably going to stop, stay flat, bounce down, or if it breaks it, that means it's going to go to the next one. You see what I'm saying? So watch these price targets in the next coming days and weeks. ETC, can you check ETC? Yeah, I'll check Ethereum Classic. Take a look at Ethereum Classic here. ETC at 23 cents. Wow. So ETC at 23 cents. And looking back here, ETC back in the bull market was $178. The top of the bull market, $178, now at $23. And to be honest, that's not the biggest drop compared to many of the other coins. Right? 178 to 23. But let me just do some technical analysis here on ETC. Let's check it out here. Just give you my I'm just gonna give you my first impressions here, just looking at ETC, right? So looking at this, we can clearly see right here, what I see here is this range right here. We reached this range. You see this range? This range here from back in July 2022. Okay, we were in this range and we pumped up like crazy from this range. What's probably going to happen for ETC is it's probably going to stay flat in this range for the next coming days or week and come down a little bit before it keeps going up and breaking the next big price of 26.60. Okay, let me get rid of this. So basically what I'm saying is it's probably topped out similar to Bitcoin for the next coming days or week, because it's in a big points of control right now where it's extremely overbought, right? It's reaching this range that it hasn't been since November 7th and July 26th, right? So don't expect us to go right through this range the next 3 days or week. Okay, I think that we reached a pit stop, and we gotta see how it reacts here. But definitely, probably not a good time to long or buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice. And for it to come down, I could probably see it coming down to potentially right over here. $20.70, right? We might retrace here to $20.70, which is around right here. So watch out for that. But yeah, we got Litecoin at $89. I think, isn't the Litecoin halvening this year, guys? The Litecoin halvening is this year, right? So Litecoin might have an amazing year regarding, since it's going to be its halvening this year. But we got Litecoin at $89. I'm happy I got a little bit of Litecoin back when it was $50. Filecoin at $4. Like Filecoin is one of those coins, if you believe in it, it's at a great price still right now. You can clearly see right here, Filecoin at $4.30. Super cheap here compared to its previous prices, right? VeChain also still at a good price at 2 cents, right? It's not that long ago where VeChain was basically 3 cents and 50, 3.5. Right now it's around 2 cents. Matic at 98 cents. Matic has been one of the best performing cryptos this bear market, right? It came down to 33 cents. And the big reason why it performed well this bear market is because there was many announcements regarding the partnership with Disney, right? And I think I forgot who else they partnered with, but I know Disney partnered with Matic, and that's a big reason why it's been performing well this bear market. And just holding this, like Matic at 70 cents. If it comes down here again, this is definitely a great support line here. 70 cents Matic. It's Friday the 13th. We'll pray extra to combat the evil going on tonight in the name of Jesus Christ. Yes, amen. Amen, man. I didn't even notice it was the Friday the 13th, so I'm happy I didn't go to work today. Today was my off day, so I mean, at the same time, you know, I'm not afraid of Friday the 13th. I don't have superstitions regarding Friday the 13th and the number 6 or the number 13, because at the end of the day, I know that I'm protected by Jesus Christ, right? So, you know, regarding being scared of certain things like that, I'm definitely not. Another coin, guys. I'm gonna tell you my low cap gems, okay, that I normally share in the Discord. I'm gonna tell you guys them right now. You know, the low cap coins that I like, that are on my like list that I've been buying, because they are still super low cap, right? And if they survive, they can go 100x, 1000x, right? I'll tell you guys them in the live stream. Katie says, I go to the grocery store and it's a faith builder. Depressing at one time, but we have to remember that God said all things must come to pass. But as for eggs, I'm getting chicks and a coop. LOL. I wish, you see, that's funny because one of my dreams is to have like a homestead, like a, not a farm, right? But like a small homestead, right? Maybe like 1 or 2 acres where I could be sufficient for me and my family. That's one of my dreams. And definitely, you know, having a chicken coop is definitely a great thing to have if you're able to, right? But I agree with you. It's very depressing going to the grocery store. I went to it yesterday, and it's like you don't even get that much stuff, and it's like over $200, right? You barely fill your cart, and it's like over $200 already. So hopefully inflation starts going down regarding groceries. Filecoin is one of my top 3 biggest bags if it even hits half its all-time Lambo time. Yeah, I have some Filecoin as well, and let's actually check out here what is Filecoin. What was Filecoin back in the bull market of 2021? It was basically $233. Wow. Remember what I said regarding Ethereum Classic when I said that it's not that far from price for Ethereum Classic from its all-time high? Because compared to other altcoins like Filecoin and other altcoins, you can see $231 to $4 right now. We literally came down to $2 on Filecoin. That's crazy, right? So Filecoin came down. Let me actually measure it. I did not measure it, so let's measure right here. From its all-time high, Filecoin came down 98. Wow. 98% from its all-time high. Filecoin coming down 98% from its all-time high, guys. That's crazy. Right? Most of the altcoins came down like 90, 80%. Nah, but Filecoin almost 100%. Again, guys, be careful, right? You want to research the coins because look, a lot of these coins might be going to zero, right? They might be failing in the future. So be careful on what coins you invest in during this bear market. The good thing about bear markets, guys, is the fact that bear markets tests is the best thing, because it tests all these projects, all these coins, to see if they are real projects, to see which ones are the innovative ones, and which ones are going to survive, and which ones are developing to be innovative and be the winners for the next bull market. You see what I'm saying? So think of the bear markets like a huge washing period for crypto. I'm excited. I pray this is the bull run we've been waiting for seed money. Yes, amen. I do think so. I think so. It might be too. But I think that we might have like a small bull run, not basically like going to the all-time highs, but going up to like 29, 30, 35K maybe. But I don't think the like I said, I don't think the bottom is in yet. Because I have a feeling something big is going to happen this year. I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know what it is. I feel like this year is going to be similar to 2020, where we had an unexpected event happen. You guys know what it was, that no one saw coming. And that year in 2020, Bitcoin was like 10, 16K. Well, after the event, Bitcoin came down to 3K. It capitulated down to 3K. So, right, I hope nothing like that happens. But if we do have a bull run, then that's going to be great as well, right? That's a good move. More of us need to get back to tradition. But no, really, I just want to buy farmland in South America and start a coffee farm. Man, I feel you, GT. And, you know, Brazil, I'm from Brazil, if you guys didn't know yet. I'm Brazilian. I came here when I was 4 years or 5 years, I believe. But yeah, I speak Portuguese. I even speak a little bit of Spanish as well. But yeah, you know, one of the best things too that I can say is once you guys are able to look to buy land in other countries, foreign land, besides having land here in the United States. Okay. This is just not financial advice. I'm just saying, once you guys are able to, right, from the profits that you guys make from the seed money and everything, don't just settle for land here. Don't have like 3 properties here. Look to have another property, at least one property, at a foreign country that you feel comfortable with. So maybe it could be a country where you might have family from. Your spouse's family might be from that country and you already visited that country. So you have connection there. Somebody can look at the property while you're gone. Or if you don't have any connections anywhere, you can travel and see, okay, maybe I like Australia, right? Maybe, you know, they speak English there. You know, that's the only language I know. Maybe I like Australia. Maybe I like Costa Rica, right? You know, even Costa Rica, there's a lot of people in Costa Rica that speak English, right? There's the digital nomad community is heavy there. But basically why I'm saying this is because anything could happen in the future, right, regarding the United States, and having property at other countries, that's a great thing to do regarding what can potentially happen, right? Because we don't know what can happen here, right? And you know, just having a plan B, right, a second home in another country, it just adds another layer of safety, right? And many millionaires already do this. You can see that many millionaires have property in foreign countries as well as in here. So, just my opinion. But yeah, regarding having a coffee farm, Brazil is definitely a great place. Colombia as well. I think can you grow coffee in Australia? I think so, right? In certain parts. What's up? Long time no see. So glad I was able to catch your live. Hey, what's up, Nikki? How you been, Nikki? And yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks so much for coming to the live stream today. We actually hit over 50 viewers today, and I don't think I had 50 viewers since like 29K. Bitcoin, which is insane, right? This might mean that the bull market is back, right? This might be the indicator. Gradually conditioning us to accept bugs and plants. Got a link with God-fearing communities that want to be self-sufficient. Imagine if right after Bitcoin hits all-time high, a cyber pandemic erases everything. Yeah, that's insane, right? And that actually goes aligned with the Bitcoin flash crash, right? What you just said there, Sniff. You know, something like a cyber panic erases everything. You know, many people have been talking about the Bitcoin flash crash. You know, and the main cause of it is a certain hack regarding the crypto markets. So, you know, regarding the Bitcoin flash crash, definitely be prepared for that as well. Have limit orders, right? Just in case, you know, it could happen. We don't know when it could happen. Katie said, some of us Josephs are going to build Goshen, farmland, agriculture, hunting land, livestock, etc., etc. Yes, amen, amen. And somebody gave out a dream. I forgot what channel it was, but it was basically a dream for after the wealth transfer. And many of the things that he said of what he saw after the wealth transfer was regarding people buying farmland, you know, people growing their own food, because we know that all these foods in the grocery stores, all these drinks, all these foods, it has so much poison, right? Like I see it on TikTok all the time, people just showing how much crap these foods have, right? Like all the ingredients is just killing it, just so much ingredients that cause cancer in these foods, that we're at a point where we're eating modified, you know, foods with corn, fructose, and all these things. And, you know, even the fruits are modified. Like you got to look for the organic apples or the organic grapes and stuff. You know what I mean? So I do feel that in the future there's going to be many people that start growing their own food, start eating organically. So I do look forward to it. GT said, Filecoin makes major sense though. Lockheed Martin, which is a public traded company, is using Filecoin as well as Harvard. Really? Wow, I didn't even know that. So Lockheed Martin is a public traded company and is using Filecoin as well as Harvard. Wow. So yeah, I mean, regarding Filecoin's at great prices compared to its all-time high, in my opinion. Goshen mentioned in Genesis 45 the same as the wilderness that the woman in church is taken to after being given wings in Revelation 12. I'm asking, not stating. I don't know. I gotta look at that in the Bible. I don't know regarding Genesis 45. I gotta look at that. Filecoin is currently preserving the records of hundreds of post-genocidal and pre-genocidal testimonies from people around the world, from survivors of the Holocaust to refugees today. Wow, that's great. And look, when you guys look into Filecoin, it has a great utility. Like Filecoin is a boring coin, right? Let's be honest, it's a boring coin, but it's usually the boring coins that have the utility, that has the strong utility, right? So, you know, Filecoin has a great utility regarding, you know, blockchain storage, and like you just said, that it's preserving the records of, you know, the post-genocidal and pre-genocidal testimonies and all that, which is crazy, right? Australia isn't the best for coffee. You need to be more closer to the equator. Oh, okay. So Australia isn't the best for growing coffee. You gotta be closer to the equator. So yeah. Regarding growing coffee, I think Colombia, Brazil, right? There's probably other countries too, if you're looking to have a coffee farm. I was looking regarding Brazil. There was a lot of cheap land in the state of Minas, and that state is like, there's so many coffee farms in that state, and literally the coffee farms, the land was pretty cheap. Yeah, great job. Thank you so much, Nikki. GT said, "Hey Lewis, if the USA goes bankrupt, do you lose your pension since it's paid through the government?" Man, I actually been watching certain videos regarding that, GT, and one of them is the guy that wrote the book what was it called? Rich Dad Poor Dad. He's from Vietnam. He's part Vietnam. And he was just talking about that. He was talking about how the big bubble are the pension funds, right? And all these things. And yeah, man, like if something like that does happen, then yeah. Basically, I mean, if the USA does go bankrupt, right? Let's be honest, like that does happen. That will happen. Which is sad, right? And that's another thing too, guys, regarding from now on to the future, do not settle for a pension, right? If you're in a job where it promises you a pension after retirement, and you're, you know, after 30 years or something like that, you'll get that pension. Don't settle for that pension. Don't settle just to earn that pension. You gotta be ambitious, and you gotta be able to you gotta be able to be at a point where you're able to survive regardless of the pension and the government, right? Because something crazy can happen, like what GT just mentioned, right? Regarding, you know, the U.S. going bankrupt, the dollar falling, right? We're seeing big moves in the world today regarding the dollar, right? The BRICS and many of these other foreign currencies are trying to create a world global currency that is backed up by gold and you know, minerals, right? Gold, silver, and all these things. So the next coming years are going to be huge regarding these currencies. Katie says, "You can do it, Sir Lewis. Do it a homestead." Yes, I pray. I pray so. I can't wait after, you know, the seed money and the wealth transfer. That is one of my biggest goals. And I can't wait to do it because, you know, having a homestead is like, you know, to some people, it might be like a lot of work. Let's be honest. To some people, they might hate it. It might be like a lot of work, but a homestead is not like a farm. Like a farm is work, okay? A farm is like you have responsibility of a crazy amount of land. And if you have like a lot of animals, you got to be taking care and doing all the things, and you know, regarding a farm. But a homestead is like, it's basically like a small mini farm for you, your family, to be self-sufficient. And if you want to help other people, then you can save up, harvest, right? So that's definitely one of my dreams, and I can't wait. Steph says, "They mean the hoax will cost." Michael Ho said, "I'm building a homestead for a lot of people." Amen, Michael. Crypto Bennett said, "Colombia good for making coke." It's Rich Dad Poor Dad is very smart. Yeah, he's very smart, and he's like super bearish regarding the dollar. Like if you watch his videos, he's very bearish regarding the collapse of the dollar. Iram says, "We have seen the bottom, or is it coming?" Question mark. Hey Iram, thanks for coming to my live stream. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Join the free Telegram. Join the Discord with the Patreon if you're able to. Regarding if this is the bottom or not, my opinion, I don't think this is the bottom. I still won't say that this is the bottom, even if we go to 29K. That's just me, okay? But it doesn't mean that I'm not bullish in the current moment, right? It doesn't mean that we are starting to create structure here to move up to 29K, right? So the reason why I don't think it's the bottom is mainly because it didn't seem like a bottom, because bottoms usually, from, you know, what we've seen before, it usually is either we have a rounded bottom, right, where we have a nice rounded bottom, right, and then it comes back and retests that, similar to 2018, or we have a capitulation of Bitcoin, which is what we had in 2020, where Bitcoin capitulated to like 3K, right? And that's what I think might happen. I think we might have a capitulation of Bitcoin this year to the crazy levels due to a big black swan event that nobody predicts, similar to 2020. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. But obviously at the moment we are looking very bullish, right? You know, a lot of people are FOMOing in as we speak right now. And yeah. Did you know Russia supply 89% of the fertilizer? Wow, yeah, I've known that. 89%? I didn't know it was that high. Isn't Ukraine another one too that supplies a lot of the fertilizer? Or is it just mainly Russia that people use to grow food, etc.? But that is huge, right? That is huge that Russia has that amount of fertilizer in supply of fertilizer, right? Russia is really rich in many commodities, right? Gas and fertilizer and all these things, so it's crazy. And that's another big reason too I don't think the bottom is into regarding what's happening right now with, you know, with Russia and everything, right? It's not like a big reason for this huge pump here is, I would say, is inflation coming down, and a lot of people are speculating whether the Fed starts to pivot. But when you look at the overall economy and in the geopolitical sense, we're still not in a good shape. Like, let's be honest, guys, right? We're still not in a good shape. The war is not, you know, trending down. It's, for all we know, it's heating up, right? It's getting worse and worse by each month. Anytime Iran, Steph said, Rich Dad Poor Dad threw up the 6 and none of his thumbnails, and they're all square and compass. Not judging, just calling what is. I pray for them. Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't know he did that. I didn't even know he had a channel. He has a channel where he uploads videos. Because the videos that I've seen from him are like basically like edited videos from like other channels. But I didn't know he had a channel. But yeah, that is kind of crazy. Crypto Billion said mainly Russia, Ukraine supply a lot of OG grain, second biggest supplier after Russia. Wow. Katie says Goshen was a city inside of the city of Egypt when Joseph was appointed prime minister by Pharaoh, a city of refuge for God's people during the famine in Israel. Oh wow, I heard of that city. I didn't know it was that Goshen was that city. Thank you, Katie, for letting us know. Crypto Million said Germany gas line got blown up and other 2 lines are under the Ukraine. Go read the story of Joseph and his brothers. Great story. Yeah, I know a little bit of the story, but I definitely want to see the full story, because I know there's a lot of important things in that story regarding the story of Joseph and his brothers. Just want to say thank you guys so much for 42 viewers. You guys are awesome here. Crypto Hangout episode number 2. If you guys know, I've been live streaming like since the beginning of this bear market, averaging like 20 viewers, and I appreciate everyone that came here during that time. You guys are awesome, the OGs, and have been supporting me through thick and thin. And I just started the Crypto Hangout last live stream, which was like 2 days ago. And basically, I'm calling it Crypto Hangout because it's just a place where we can hang out, talk about crypto, the world, everything. And I also wanted to make it more structural and have like segments where I talk about certain things. Like earlier, I talked about the top gainers of the day and of the week, right? And other certain segments too. So it could be more like in order instead of like all over the place. Right? But are you currently in a trade? Nikki said. No, I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade right now. But I did buy certain coins to hold long term. But regarding trading, I'm not in the trade right now. But if I were to trade right now, I would not be longing right now. I'd probably, I'll probably do a short right now at these levels. Let me put a copy trade right here. So let's do a copy trade right here, a short. Let's see how this plays out next live stream. So next live stream, you guys come on here. We're going to see how this short plays out here, okay? So let's do it right here. So let's say we take a short right here, okay? We just took a short right here, and our stop loss is going to be at $22,030. $22,030 is our stop loss, and we just took a short right here. Our take profits will be at 18,000. I'm gonna do 18,600. Yeah. So let's see how this trade works out here for the next coming live streams when I get on. I'll leave it right here for you guys to remember. I think the Egyptians know their secrets of the universe. I think I missed one live only. Yeah, man, Crypto Billionaire, you've been here all the live streams, man. Thank you so much, man. You are an OG. You are one of my biggest supporters, if not my biggest one. And I just want to say thank you, man. Through all these times, through thick and thin, thank you so much for being on here. And like I said, this is my passion. I'm going to, you know, even if I get less views on my videos, which I have been during this bear market, I'm still going to be uploading. And watch out for my uploads. I'll bring you guys the latest things regarding the crypto markets, regarding the wealth transfer and everything. So watch out for the uploads as well as my shorts. I'm going to be uploading more shorts now, especially since YouTube is going to start paying 45% on shorts, which is huge. Me either. Yeah, be careful right now. Be careful longing right now. Okay, the probability of us, keep going up here is pretty low. So be careful. All good, bro. Be careful. I thought the same and got liquidated. Bitcoin is a beast right now. Broke so many resistant levels. Yeah, I know, right? Probably many shorts got liquidated as we came up to 22K, 21K. Many shorts got liquidated as we came up here to 21K. And especially from like Bybit and many of those exchanges. And also too, guys, regarding hard wallets, I have 2 reviews for 2 hard wallets, cold wallets. One of them is the EliPal. We already got 3,000 views on the EliPal video. So if you guys are interested in other hard wallets instead of the Ledger or the Trezor, definitely watch my honest review on the EliPal right here. It's EliPal honest review. Okay. Already got 3,000 views, which is great. And then my other one is the Keystone honest review. Okay, this was 8 days ago, 350 views. Definitely watch that. These are 2 great wallets. They have touch screens. They have a great user interface, like friendly user interface. And they are also, what are they called? They're called what are they called? They're a type of wallet that's special. It's called, let me see if I can find the name here.
Have you ever freaked out?
They're basically called they're different than the Ledger and Trezor because the way that you send and receive crypto on here is through the QR code only. So it doesn't connect to Wi-Fi and it doesn't connect to Bluetooth. Air gapped. There you go. My bad, guys. They're air gapped wallets. And basically what that means is that they don't connect to Wi-Fi. They don't connect to Bluetooth. They don't connect through cable. Okay? They're air gapped, and the only way to send crypto or receive it is through like a QR code that you got to scan. So that's what makes them unique. So I love your Telegram as well. A lot of great info and great community there. Wow, thank you so much, Katie. Thank you so much for being part of the Telegram community. And yeah, I loved it too. I started it 3 months ago, and we have over 530 people, which is amazing. And I try my best to keep everything well. I just added a new moderator today because sometimes we do get either scammers. Be aware of scammers that go on the Telegram, because a lot of scammers go on there, then they DM you saying, "Oh, I'm Sir Lewis," and they even have like a profile picture of me, and they're like, "Oh, I'm Sir Lewis. Can you send money to this exchange? Blah blah blah." Do not do it. Okay, I'm not. I don't DM random people randomly. But yeah, I've been trying my best to either kick the scammers or the people that are like haters and just spread a lot of hate and curse and all those things. But yeah, thank you so much for being part of the Telegram. And it's definitely a great community. If you guys haven't joined yet, a lot of people on there sharing, dreams, prophecy, the latest things regarding all these prophecies, and it's just a great community. German Cadorso said, "Hey there, brother, representing 956. I think we have 2 weeks before we go to the moon, hopefully." What's up, German? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. And you think we have 2 weeks before we go to the moon? Might be so, right? It might be so. And I mean, what I said in the beginning of the live stream, just looking at this, I think that we topped out here for the next few days or weeks, mainly because we reached a point here where it's our previous lower high, okay? But the moment we break this previous lower high, okay, because look, you look at this, if you look at the chart right here, we are in a very dreadful downtrend. And a downtrend, guys, all a downtrend is a combination of lower highs and lower lows. That's it, okay? That's all a downtrend is. And as you can see right here, that's what we've been in here, in a dreadful downtrend. Now, if we start to change this structure of making lower highs, lower lows, right, which we've been in for the last few months, that's going to be very bullish. So you might be right. In the next few weeks, we might, start forming a new structure, and that might be very bullish and head us to the moon. So I'll keep you guys updated in the lives. I'm gonna send you a link to the Discord of this P Gates doc. You gotta see, it links everything. Really, definitely send me it, Sniff. You're in the Discord, right? Send me it in the Discord. And definitely check it out. Ian said, "I lost $400 in ETH shorts. Who was saying ETH is going down to 13th? Wow, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you lost $400 in ETH. Was it recent, like just the last couple of days? And thank you, Ian, for coming to the live, man. Who was saying that ETH was going down on the 13th? Yep, they said it was up since amount. Who was saying that? Smaller time frames are flagging out, so we could go a little higher. Yeah, I mean, we might go a little higher. I mean, if we do break 21,500, our next pit stop is going to be 22,700. Okay. So if we do break this lower high, I definitely think that our next pit stop is going to be 22,700. Just send it to you in the Discord inbox. All right, I'll check it out. Thank you, Sniff. Thank you, Steph. I'll join the Discord and I'll check it out after the live stream. Yesterday I lost it and I was DCA into the position. Oh man, I'm sorry, bro. What made you want to short? Was it because of that? Was it because someone said that ETH was going down on the 13th? Let's see how this short plays out. I just put a short here, a copy trade here for Bitcoin here. So I just put in a short here with a stop loss at 22,030. And my take profit is around 18,600. So this is my short right here. I'm also following my indicator, which my indicator, you guys know this is the one that I created. You can see that we're in the red cloud. And once we're in the red cloud, which is very rare, okay, that's when you should be shorting. We're in the red cloud. Okay, I'm taking my short. But on top of that, we're also overbought for stochastic RSI, money flow, and look at this, the regular RSI. Do you know how rare this is? It is super rare to see the money flow, stochastic RSI, and the RSI in the same section just like this. Okay, because look, usually right over here, we were overbought for the stochastic RSI. The only thing that was overbought was the stochastic RSI. Money flow and the RSI was pretty low here. Okay. And you can see right here, this is extremely rare where all three are super overbought. Usually it's just money flow and the stochastic RSI, but we have the regular RSI in the same position. Okay, this is why I'm shorting right here. Okay, but I'll keep you guys updated. Next live stream, we'll see how this short does. We'll see if I got liquidated or if we did make some nice profits. Got done. Reason my dog isn't scared of thunder anymore. I wonder if he's deaf. The more I do TA, the more I realize you trade the charts, not the news. Yeah, great point. I think the news, I think nobody can predict the news, right? Nobody can predict the news, but the news does influence the charts, right? You know, my thing regarding the news and the charts is that, you know, during a time where the news isn't as big, the charts are going to be very accurate based on just regular technical analysis. But once we have a big events happening, that's when everything's volatile and nobody knows how, you know, it's hard to do technical analysis. When big news comes out and everything's volatile, either it's going up, way up or way down or up and down. At that point, that's when, you know, it's really hard to do technical analysis and trading. Yes, they were saying that this is just a fake pump or pump before the FOMC, and after the FOMC meeting, it's going down. Oh, okay, so that's what they were saying. Yeah, you know, regarding that, you know, be careful with that, right? Because, and that's why a lot of people say, be careful trading during the FOMC meetings or the CPI when the CPI comes out, because so many people are saying the opposite thing, and then the opposite happens, right? And that's what I'm saying. Like, once big news comes out, or like there's a time where there's a lot of news coming out, just like we had, it's hard to trade, right? Because, you know, there's a lot of shorts regarding these previous last days, right? Regarding the meeting and everything. So just be careful, look, and use that AN. Like, you know, I had a lot of bad losses too when trading, and I know it hurts, right? But you got to remember, every bad loss is basically the price you pay for a lesson that's going to be with you forever, right? So it's basically a win, right? Take it as a win where you're going to remember this moment, because it got to your emotions, right? It got to your emotions, right? You got emotional over it. Well, now you're gonna remember this exact moment for your whole life. So now when you trade again, you're gonna be making smarter trades. So that's definitely the way to look at it. Sniff said, I can see them faking an attack on some synagogue and rolling in the military. It's ridiculous how they pull off these hoaxes. Maybe, right? That might be an event that happens this year. And yeah, it is crazy how they can pull off these hoaxes and basically blame it on other reasons, right? Deflate the truth. But I do think something big is going to happen this year. I don't know what it is, but I do think something big or huge is going to happen this year. It's just a gut feeling. And I feel like we're in a place right now in the world where we're just so vulnerable for a huge event to happen, right? So here we have One Harmony at 1 penny. How much was One Harmony back in 2021? It reached 37 cents, and right now we're around 1 penny. Chili's at 13 cents. Fake asteroid hologram in the sky, maybe, right? I've been hearing certain things regarding a comet, right, or asteroid too, and it's crazy, right? Because these people, it's like they feed on fear, right? They love making the whole world fearful, everybody fearful regarding certain things, and it really is sad when you think about it. Ave at $73 from 52. Look, if you're a big fan of AMP hasn't pumped that much, right? It's still pretty close here to its bottom. So AMP at 0.03 cents. Polkadot still at $5, 5.60, and Polkadot's all-time high was $53. So $53 to 5.60, which we are right now for Polkadot. Twitter added Shiba Inu chart for 360 million people. If you search SHIB, it comes up. Live chart. Really? Let me check it out. That's crazy. Maybe Elon is behind SHIB. If he added this on Twitter. Let's check out here what's been on here on Twitter. Let me see if I can find this. So I just gotta search SHIB. What do I search? SHIB. Oh, that's awesome. I see it. That's cool. So look at that. If you search SHIB on Twitter, the Shiba Inu chart comes up. And it says right here, view on Robinhood. What? Is Robinhood partnering with Twitter or something? Or TradingView. Like if you click on it, it goes to TradingView, but here at the bottom it says view on Robinhood. Wow, that's crazy. Let me see if I do it for Dogecoin or other coins. Let's see. Yeah, it does it for Dogecoin as well. So it's not only SHIB. Let me see Bitcoin. Yeah, it does it for Bitcoin as well. So, wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. I've really been liking what Elon Musk has been doing with Twitter. It's just been a lot better so far, and I think recently they added a for you section. So there's a for you and a following. Similar, they basically copied TikTok regarding that. They made a for you, but this is actually good because this gets many tweets visible for people that don't follow you, right? And recently I tweeted something and I got like a lot of I got like a lot of followers, probably because there's a for you page on Twitter, right? And right here, look, this guy posted this chart right here. Do not FOMO. Look at what lays ahead and re-evaluate. So he posted this chart right here. You can see, right, that we are at a critical price right here. So basically what I said, do not FOMO, right? Okay, guys, go home. Nothing more to see here. It's over. Get out of the market. So you can see right here, parabolic curve 2019. Parabolic curve 2023. Are we in a parabolic curve as we speak? I can see another psyop. But yeah, will I live stream? What is tomorrow? Saturday. I probably won't live stream tomorrow. There's gonna be a football game. Probably gonna watch it. But the next tomorrow I work, and then the next 2 days I have off. So I'll definitely be live streaming. Probably even during the day. I'll probably do like a day live stream because I'll be off on those days, and it'll be awesome to have Crypto Hangout episode number 3. Oh yeah, and I forgot, guys. I forgot to do the segment Bible verse of the day. Let's do here Bible verse of the day. You guys know I always do this ever since I started the Crypto Hangout. And you guys can get the Bible verse of the day in the Discord. We have right here in the Discord verse of the day. And you can see right here, it's a bot that basically every day puts a random verse from the King James Bible. Okay, every single day at 7 a.m. Eastern time. So let's check out here the Bible verse of the day. To wit, that God was in Christ reconciling the world unto himself, not imputing their trespasses unto them, and have committed unto us the word of reconciliation. Now then we are ambassadors for Christ, as through God did beseech you by us, we pray you in Christ's stead, but be ye reconciled to God. Wow, that is an amazing verse right there. 2 Corinthians 5:19 through 20. Great verse right there, and that's it. We are ambassadors for Christ, and it just shows you how much he loves us, right? His salvation, and he is our savior. He's the author of salvation. So, be an ambassador for Christ. And yeah, guys, I just want to thank you guys. I'm so grateful for all of you guys. We reached over 50 viewers today. I want to thank God. I want to thank all of you guys for all the support. Thank you guys so much for being part of Crypto Hangout episode 2. And God bless all of you guys. I can't wait to see you guys again next live stream, next Crypto Hangout. T Money said Man City versus Manchester United tomorrow. Big game. Yeah, big game tomorrow. I think I posted. I have like a separate TikTok and Instagram account where I put like my predictions for games, and I'm putting my prediction tonight. So if you do follow me, you can see my prediction, and I post like a bunch of videos regarding soccer and stuff on that. But yeah, how do you feel about dots as an investment? I like Polkadot. I like Polkadot long term. And what's awesome is that I think you can stake it, right? Yeah, you can stake Polkadot, I believe. And I think you could stake it on Ledger actually. But I like Polkadot. I like, you know, the development that's going on. It's not as much as Cosmos. I prefer Cosmos versus Polkadot, which I do have Cosmos, which is Atom, ATOM. But I do like Polkadot as well, in the parachain and everything. I think we hit 22. Yeah, like I said, we could possibly hit 22,000. What was the price that I said here? What were my targets here? Yeah, I said we could potentially, if we do break 21,500, we could potentially go to 22,600. But breaking that, I would be very surprised if we break that, because if we break that, we'll probably go to 25K. But I think it might take a while before that. Take care, bro. Thank you so much, Team Money. That's awesome. Having crypto news and having a Bible verse. Yes, amen. And that's why I added it. I also have here Bible talk, basically if you want to, you know, talking about the Bible, scripture, anything like that. But I also have a prayer wall. So if you need, you know, prayers regarding anything in your life, or you need, you know, prayers for someone, right? You could just put it right here. You know, people have been posting here what they need prayers for. This person was posting regarding a friend of them that had a cancer, lymph and spleen cancer, which is sad. And the amazing part is that, you know, when multiple people pray, you know, that has power, right? Versus, you know, less people praying. The more people that pray for it, there's a lot of power in that. So that's why I created the prayer wall as well. And we also do have a worship voice chat, okay, which is like a voice chat as well. So yeah, like I said, the Discord is not just about investing, not just about crypto. It's about, you know, the kingdom and everything. So I just want to thank you guys again so much. God bless all of you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next Crypto Hangout episode number 3. Peace.
Me hearties, the stream be ending.